We from the EF Morning to C0T Group would like to present the result of our PBL and Titile Digital Library System. Next. Before the presentation, I would like to introduce the team member. First, Lutfi Darpildi as the group leader and Krispaldo Ritondang and Muhammad Zaki Sariwa to team member. Next, project urgency. The challenge, managing the growing volume of book, member, and transaction record, maintaining system performance despite dependent on a stable internet connection, minimizing data entry error during system operation, optimize database management, handle increasing amount of data efficiently, provide reliable network infrastructure to ensure uninterrupted access, update data validation factor to improve data accuracy and consistency. Next, technical scope, full stack action. Successfully transformed static wireframe into a fully functional web application. Successfully implemented user routing, security middleware, and session management feature. Core automation engine. Backend logic for dynamic stock reduction, automatic penalty calculation for late book return. Next, technology stack. Tailwind CSS, front-end framework, Laravel backend framework, MySQL relational database. Next.
All right, and this slide is division of duties. Moving on, the system works. This architecture diagram illustrates the seamless interaction between user and our database. Both student and admin can log in and perform action like checking catalog and verify their transactions. The digital library system handles these requests in real time and updates the central database securely. Next. This is our use case diagram, which is outlines our user roles. As you can see, the student can search the book catalog, borrow books, and view their personal borrowing history. Meanwhile, at the admin has a burden administrative wise, including managing books, members data, tracking loads, and generating reports. Next. This is our entity relationship diagram or ERD, representing the database structure. The core entities here are user, member, admin, books, and loads. It establishes how each data point connects, such as tracking with member borrow with book alongside the automatic penalty detail. Next.
Okay, this is ERD illustrates the database structure of the digital library system. The main entity in the system is the user, which has attributes such as user ID, username, employee ID, student ID, email, password, and user role. Through the concept of inheritance, the user entity is divided into two types, admin and member. The admin manages book data while the member handle the borrowing process. Additionally, there is a book entity that store information about the library collection, such as book code, title, category, author, publisher, ISBN, and book inventory. Next. This is the login page for the digital library system. User can select their role as either a student or an admin, then enter their student ID and password to log into the system. Additionally, there are forgot password, back, and login button to facilitate the authentication process. Next. Okay, this is image show the next step in the password recovery process. The user selects their account type, enter their student ID, and then has OTP sent to their registered email address after receiving to the OTP. Next. This is the home page. On this page, user can view books, recommendation, access the book catalog, view their borrowing history through the navigation menu, and use the view details button to see book information, and the borrow books button to check out books. At the top of the page, there is also a user profile that provide access to account setting. Next. This page display complete information about the select book before it is borrowed. This image show the loan confirmation page where user can review the book's detail, the loan and return dates, and confirm the loan by click the borrow button. Any fines are displayed immediately. Next.
And now let's look the actual application interface. This is the student borrowing history page. Here, students can track their total activity loans, check pending approval, see due dates, and view any calculate late fees transparently. Okay, next. Switching over the administrator side, this is the admin dashboard. It provides a real-time overview of the library states, including the total book collection, register, member, active loans, and today transaction at a single glance. Next, and then this is the book management module for admin. From this interface, admin can search through the catalog, edit current entries, or seamlessly add a new book to the inventory by filling out the details like title, author, and available stock. Next,
Okay, next. The member management pack display a list of member, a button to add new member, a search filter, and a table containing name, type, email status, and action option to edit or delete member data. Next. The loan management pack display loan request, a search filter, and a table containing member name, book title, loan detail, loan date, return date, status, and fines. The action column allow administrator to approve, reject, or update loan request status. Next. The loan report pack display loan statistic, a download report feature, share filter, and a loan history table. Administrator can also view detailed loan information through a pop-up window. Okay, next, conclusion. Digital library transform traditional book management into a seamless, real-time, and organized experience, building innovative digital solution for smarter library service and better access to information. Next. Okay, that concludes the PBL presentation that we have delivery. Thank you for your attention. We would like to end our presentation with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mati nih.